So for this specific lesson, we are going to be focusing on the modes of persuasion, specifically ethos, logos, and pathos. And for this lesson, we're only going to focus on ethos. So what is ethos? Ethos is when we use rhetoric in order to build trust or credibility. So the speaker's intention when they use ethos is to build credibility with the audience. And so they might use personal experience. And we're going to look at an ad on the next slide that shows how we might see this in an advertisement. So this ad here is an example of ethos. We see that there is a Speedo ad. The athlete is Michael Phelps. And so I want you to, for just a second, I want you to read the ad, read the quote, take it in completely, and then we will discuss a little bit about why this is a representation of ethos. So if we look at the ad, we see that Michael Phelps kind of gives an example of ethos because he is an Olympic athlete. We can trust his credibility because he's won so many gold medals, because he's a very accomplished swimmer. And so Speedo is building credibility in their brand by showing that an Olympic athlete wears their brand of swimwear. And so their intention is that the audience would then want to buy their product. And so this is an example of ethos that we might see in an advertisement. We see them in commercials. We even see it in writing sometimes. And this is all we have for this specific lesson.